Comparative fault laws for e-scooters in Colorado. Welcome, curious readers, to a comprehensive exploration of Colorado's comparative fault laws in the context of e-scooter accidents. Understanding comparative fault. Comparative fault, a cornerstone of Colorado's legal system, introduces a nuanced approach to assigning responsibility in accidents. Unlike traditional models where one party is often solely liable, this principle acknowledges that multiple factors can contribute to an incident. It's akin to recognizing that life isn't always black and white, and neither are accidents. This nuanced perspective seeks to assess the degree of fault for each party involved, allowing for a fairer distribution of accountability. Our Denver, Colorado scooter accident attorneys are experienced at navigating these legal issues for our e-scooter injury clients. In the context of e-scooter accidents, comparative fault operates as a scale. It considers various elements such as the actions of the rider, the conditions of the road, and the conduct of other parties involved. This multifaceted evaluation ensures that blame is apportioned based on a thorough analysis of the circumstances. It's not about absolving one party entirely, but rather acknowledging that responsibility can be shared. The scoop on e-scooter accidents. E-scooters, with their rising popularity, have become a common mode of transportation in many cities, including Colorado. However, with this surge in usage comes an increased likelihood of accidents. In the event of an e-scooter accident, it's important to recognize that fault may not rest solely on the rider. Factors such as road conditions, visibility, and the behavior of other road users all play a role in determining liability. Colorado's e-scooter regulations. Colorado, like many states, has recognized the need for specific regulations pertaining to e-scooter usage. These rules serve as a framework for safe operation and help to define the parameters within which riders and other road users must operate. This includes guidelines on speed limits, permissible riding areas, and even protocols for parking. Understanding Colorado's e-scooter regulations is integral to assessing fault in an accident. If a rider adheres to these guidelines and an accident still occurs, it shifts the focus onto other potential contributing factors. Conversely, if a rider is found to be in violation of these regulations, it becomes a critical piece of the fault allocation puzzle. Shared responsibility in e-scooter accidents. In Colorado, shared responsibility in e-scooter accidents is a cornerstone of the legal framework. This means that if an accident occurs, it's not a simple matter of one party being solely at fault. Instead, the degree of responsibility is assessed based on the actions and decisions of all parties involved. Determining shared responsibility involves a careful evaluation of each party's contribution to the accident. This assessment is not a binary exercise of guilty or innocent, but rather a nuanced analysis of who played what role. Factors affecting fault allocation. These can range from the speed at which the e-scooter was being operated to the visibility conditions at the time of the incident. Additionally, adherence to traffic rules, the presence of warning signals, and the condition of the road surface are all factors that influence fault determination. Navigating insurance claims. Understanding how to navigate the claims process is essential for obtaining the support needed to recover from any damages or injuries sustained. In the context of shared responsibility, insurance claims can become a complex terrain. It's not uncommon for multiple parties to be involved, each with their own insurance coverage. Seeking legal advice. When faced with the complexities of e-scooter accidents and shared responsibility, seeking legal advice is a prudent step. Legal experts possess the knowledge and experience to navigate the nuances of the law, ensuring that your rights and interests are protected. They can provide invaluable guidance in understanding your position, advocating for your rights, and facilitating a resolution that is fair and just. Their expertise provides a solid foundation for making informed decisions and pursuing a course of action that aligns with your best interests. Conclusion. In the realm of e-scooter accidents and comparative fault laws in Colorado, the landscape is nuanced and multifaceted. By understanding the intricacies of shared responsibility, the role of regulations, and the factors influencing fault allocation, you are better equipped to navigate these situations.